Today we are making the woven heart quilt block. So to make this quilt block, you're going to need some 2.5 inch squares. So we have 4 of one color, the pink, then we'll have 5 red, and then we need 4 of a background color. We'll also need some rectangles. So these are 2.5 by 4.5, and you'll need 2 red and 4 pink. And lastly, you'll need a square that is 4.5 inches. So let's just get started here. We're going to set aside everything except for our pink and red squares. And we're just going to start by making a 9 patch with these. So I'm just going to take them and I'm going to place the red on the outer corners and in the middle. And then I will place the pink in the remaining squares here. Next, we'll sew this together like we would a 9 patch. So I'm just going to take each row and stitch them together. Okay, so I have my 3 rows sewn together. Next, I'm going to press them. In order to get the seams to nest, I'm going to press everything towards the red. Okay, so I've got all my strips pressed. So next I'm just going to take them over to the sewing machine, take one row and the next one. I'll nest the seams together and just stitch along one side, and then I'll come back and grab the other piece and sew it on as well. Alright, so we have our little 9 patch sewn together. So I'm going to just take this and I want to press all of the seams outward. So I'm just going to set the seams and then I'm just going to press them so that they go outward. This is just to help nesting of the seams when we get to our next, when we assemble the block. Alright, so we'll set this aside for now. Next we're going to take our rectangle strips. We'll first begin with our pink ones and our cream squares here. So I'm just going to take these and I'm going to place one on each end of the pink square. So just like this. Okay, so for this, these pieces are going to be these corners right here. So we want to be sewing them on the angle. So I like to keep them in pairs, and I'm just going to be sewing from one corner to the other, and we're going to make sure that they mirror each other. So we'll have the points in the middle, and then we'll sew outward. One thing to know is when you're sewing, if you start on the point, sometimes this will get caught down in your feed dogs. So I always like to start on this end when I'm sewing, but I do keep things aligned and so that I remember which way that I'm going. So I'm going to stitch right here and stitch right here. Now if you'd like, you can draw a line on the middle so you can make sure you're accurate. This is a small enough piece that I'm not worried about that, but that is an option. Alright, so I've got my pieces sewn. I've kept them in pairs. We've got our seam going this way and then this way, and the same with the other pieces. I'm just going to grab my cutting mat here and we're going to trim these 1/4 of an inch away from that stitching line. So you'll want to make sure you do it on this small little triangle side and not on the large side. Next we'll grab our ironing mat here and we're just going to press these open. So I'm just going to lift this white piece and press it open. And then we'll have a rectangle that is the same size as our red ones, but they will have the triangle piece on it. Okay, so next let's arrange our top part, this little piece right here. So we'll just take 2 of our pieces, make sure that they're mirroring each other, and we'll place the red one in the middle, and then we'll just repeat that with the other pieces here. Oh, wrong side. Just like that. Now we're just going to go and stitch these into a little block. and then I'll stitch these ones into a little block. All right, we've got both of our little blocks sewn together. Next, we're going to press them again towards the red. Okay, so next it's just time to arrange our pieces into a block. So we'll start with our 9 patch here, and we'll place our striped pieces over here on either side, and then opposite diagonal from the 9 patch we'll place our square. So we're just going to sew this together like a 4 patch. So we'll just take these 2 squares and sew them together, and then I'll sew these 2 squares together. Once we have both of our rows sewn together, we're just going to press them. Let's just make sure that we press them in opposite directions so we can nest those seams. So I will press the top one towards the cream, and then the bottom one I will press towards the 9 patch. And I'll just take these over to the sewing machine and I will stitch them together. Okay, our block is all sewn together, so the last step is just to simply press it open. So that is how you make the woven heart quilt block. So go ahead and head over to my shop if you'd like to purchase the pattern. You can make this in different sizes, 5-inch, 10-inch, or 15-inch. Thanks for watching.